Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rismem Classes, and this video is going to be the MCQs on Payment of Bonus Act 1965. So let's start. Our first question is, which section states about the classes of employees where Payment of Bonus Act is not applicable? So usually Payment of Bonus Act is applicable to all the factories, all the establishment where 20 or more persons are engaged, but under section 32 this act is not applicable to institutes or organizations like the LIC, like Indian Red Cross, like universities, colleges. So the correct option for this question is option number B, section 32. Let's go to question number 2. Which section in the act deals with the computation of available surplus? So the computation of available surplus comes under section 5. So the correct option for this is option C, section 5. Now come to question number 3. Which section provides for proportionate reduction in bonus in certain cases? So the employer can proportionately reduce the amount of bonus in certain cases, and it comes under section 13. So the correct option for this question is option A, section 13. Now come to question number 4. Which section deal with minimum bonus under Payment of Bonus Act 1965? So the minimum bonus, which is the 8.33% of the salary of wages or an employee, it comes under section 10. So the correct option is option number A, section 10. Now come to question number 5. Bonus is an ex gratia payment? Definitely not. So the option B is correct. So the answer is false. Option B, false. Now come to question number 6. The act is not applicable to dash except those operating in competition with similar other private undertakings. Usually this act is not applicable to any public enterprises, but yes, it will be applicable to public enterprises also if in any accounting year it comes into a competitive business with any other private undertaking. So the correct answer for this is option A, public enterprises. Now come to question number 7. Under the Payment of Bonus Act 1965, the gross profit derived by an employer from an establishment in respect of any accounting year shall be computed. So it shall be computed in case of banking company according to Schedule 1 and in any other case Schedule 2. So the correct option for this question is option B, in case of banking company to Schedule 1 and in any other case Schedule 2. Now come to question number 8. The ceiling on wage or salary for calculation of bonus under the Payment of Bonus Act 1965 is, so the ceiling limit is 7,000 rupees. So the correct option is C, 7,000. Now come to question number 9. The Payment of Bonus Act 1965 is applicable to an employee who draws wage or salary of. Yes, definitely this act is applicable to employees only, and that too those employees whose salary per month is up to 21,000 rupees per month. So the correct answer for this question is option C, 21,000, and in case of employees only. Now come to question number 10. Excess allocable surplus remain after paying the maximum bonus of 20% on the wage or salary of the employee should be carried forward to the next following year for utilizing the payment of bonus in case of the shortage of the allocable surplus or losses occur. So this is called as, so this mechanism is called as set-on procedure. So the correct option is A, set-on. Now come to question number 11. Payment of Bonus Act 1965 is applicable to every factory and to every other establishment where dash workmen are employed on any day during an accounting year. So the correct answer is 20 or more. So option A, 20 or more is correct. Okay. Now come to question number 12. Every employee receiving salary or wages of rupees 21,000 per month and engaged in any kind of work, whether skilled, unskilled, managerial, supervisory, etc., is entitled to bonus for every accounting year if he has worked for at least how many days in that year. So the correct answer for this is 30 working days. Yes, to get the entitlement for the bonus, an employee has to work at least 30 working days in that year. So the correct option is B, 30 working days. Now come to question number 13. The minimum bonus which an employer is required to pay even if he suffers losses during the accounting year or there is no allocable surplus, the percentage of the salary of wages during the accounting year for which the employer is eligible or employer mandatorily has to provide the bonus is 8.33%. The correct option is C, 8.33%. Now come to question number 14. If in an accounting year the allocable a surplus calculated after taking into the account the amount set on or the amount set off exceed the minimum bonus, the employer should pay bonus in proportion to the salary or wages earned by the employee in that accounting year, subject to a maximum of dash percentage of such salary or wages. So the maximum limit which an employer can provide to the employee is 20%. In any condition, an employer cannot provide or cannot exceed more than 20%. So the correct option is option D, 20%. Now come to question number 15. The bonus should be paid in cash within what month from the close of an accounting year? So the correct answer is 8 months. So the option A, 8 months is correct. So the bonus has to be paid in cash within 8 months from the close of the accounting year. Now come to question number 16. When there are no profit or the amount falls short or deficiency for payment of minimum bonus to employees, such deficiency amount should be adjusted to the current accounting year from the set on amount which was carried forward in the case of excess allocable surplus in the previous year. And this is called as, yes, this procedure is called as set off. This mechanism is called as set off. So the correct option for this question is option B, set off. Now come to question number 17. A person is hired for a regular work but he is required to come part-time. Is he an employee as per the definition of employee under this act? So let me tell you, the definition of employee includes part-time worker. So definitely if he is hired on a regular basis but in part-time, still he comes under the employee definition and is entitled to bonus. So the correct answer is option is A, S. Definitely it's yes. Now come to question number 18. Complete the formula used for calculating bonus for basic salary which is more than 7,000 rupees. So the wage limit is 7,000 rupees. So the basic salary if goes beyond 7,000 rupees, still it will be calculated calculated on 7,000 rupees. So the bonus will be 7,000 rupees into bonus month into 20%, which is maximum bonus, and if it comes to minimum bonus then it will be 8.33%. So correct option is C, 7,000 rupees. Now come to question number 19. Which of the following statement is not correct as per the Payment of Bonus Act 1965? See, out of this option, the incorrect or the not correct option is employee means any person including apprentice. So which is definitely not. Apprentice does not comes under the definition of employee. They are trainee. So the option D is incorrect for this question. So correct answer is option D. Now come to question number 20. An employer has the following rights. So these rights like the employer has right to forfeit bonus, the employer can make the permissible deductions, and the employer can also report any dispute to labor court and tribunals. So the option B is correct answer for this question, which covers point 1, point 2 and point 3. Now come to question number 21. Under section 36, who has power to exempt any establishment from payment of bonus? So see, under this section 36, the appropriate government has power to exempt any establishment from payment of bonus. So the correct option is option A, appropriate government. He has power to exempt any establishment from payment of bonus. So with this, our video has come to an end. Thank you for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe.